stay over in the Smokies for a little extra time. What a joy it is to bring on this next group. They're a very unusual group because they're one of the few all-female groups in gospel music today. I remember hearing them for the first time many years ago up in Pennsylvania, the first time I heard them, and they just knocked my hat off. I tell you, they did such a magnificent job. And they come from Huntington, West Virginia. They're Sunlight recording artists. They have a great song right now called Only Sleeping that is in the top of the Singing News charts. Great songs like Climbing Up the Mountain and Imagine If You Will. It's a family group, and I know you're going to love them. Will you welcome from Huntington, West Virginia, the Perry Sisters? Let them know that we love their music and their stand for gospel music.
I found a friend in Jesus like no other friend I've known. When I walk through desert places, I don't ever walk alone. He's a mountain, he's a shelter. In a corner, he's a stone. He's a cleft within the rock. He is God and God alone. When the clouds above me threaten and my spirit's feeling low, when I'm barely holding steady and the wind begins to blow, he's a strong and mighty refuge, a solid rock I run to. With open arms he'll welcome me, welcome me, yeah. Rock of ages, hide me again. Hide me again. Rock of ages, hide me again. Oh, come on. In the shelter of his keeping, in the shadow of his wing, there's a table spread with plenty, and I feast on his good things. Then he showers me with blessings, draws me to his side. I don't fear the storm when there's a peaceful place to hide. When the clouds above me threaten and my spirit's feeling low, when I'm barely holding steady and the wind begins to blow, he's a strong and mighty refuge, a solid rock I'll run to. With open arms he'll welcome me, yeah. Rock of ages, hide me again. Rock of ages, hide me again. Blessed rock of ages, hide thou me. When I run to the rock of ages, rock of ages. When the clouds above me threaten and my spirit's feeling low, when I'm barely holding steady and the wind begins to blow, he's a strong and mighty refuge, a solid rock I run to. With open arms he'll welcome me, yeah. Rock of ages, hide me again. Oh, rock of ages, hide me again. Rock of ages, hide me again.
Thank you so much. I want to share a real special song with you tonight. This is our current top 40 song, and wrote this song in memory of my mother. I know where she is tonight. She tried to remember the faces around her. There in her mind, somewhere in time, she always knew. But age had confused her and stolen her from me. They held to her love when angels above came to her rescue. Only sleeping in the arms of Jesus.
his arms on angels' white wings. They may be gone from our sight, but to them it's just good night. Only sleeping in the arms of Jesus. That night at her bedside, they gathered around her. Soon they would know she'd have to go and leave them behind. But she talked of heaven, and she dreamed of her mansion. As her time drew near, she had no fear as she closed her eyes. Oh, thank you, Lord. Only sleeping in the arms of Jesus, carried away to rest in his arms on angels' white wings. They may be gone from our sight, but to them it's just good night. Only sleeping in the arms of Jesus. They may be gone from our sight, but to them it's just good night. Only sleeping, they're only sleeping in the arms of
Thank God. Oh, bless your heart. All right. Tammy, come on, sing for me. Psalms 47 says, oh, clap your hands. All you people.
Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. Come before his presence, exalt his name together. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. I put my trust in Jesus. I'm walking on a narrow way. The Holy Ghost is with me to guide me if I stray. For Jesus is my portion, and I am not ashamed to clap my hands, lift my voice, bless his holy name. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. Come before his presence, exalt his name together. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. He's a strong and mighty tower. He's a rock in a weary land. A sacrifice of mercy sent down the fallen man. A fountain that keeps flowing, and it never shall run dry. It fills my soul, makes me know I've got to testify. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. Come before his presence, exalt his name together. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before his presence and exalt his name together. Clap your hands, all you people, rejoice and be glad. will endure forevermore. I know His mercy will endure forevermore. Come on, clap your hands. Clap your hands, all the people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. Oh, come on, clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. I'm glad His mercy will endure forevermore. Come on, clap your hands. Come on and give Him a hand of praise. Oh, yeah. He's a strong and mighty tower. He's a rock in a weary land. A sacrifice of mercy sent down to fallen man. A fountain that keeps flowing, and it never shall run dry. It fills my soul, makes me know I've got to testify. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. Come before His presence, exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. Oh, come on, clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. I know His mercy will endure forevermore. Come on, clap your hands. Hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. Oh, come on, clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. We're gonna come before His presence and exalt His name together. Clap your hands, all you people. Rejoice and be glad. His mercy will endure forevermore. I know His mercy will endure forevermore. Come on, clap your hands. Give Jesus a hand of praise. God bless you.
The Perry Sisters. The Perry Sisters. Isn't that great? Keep that plaza going for our celebration choir, already in position to bless us with a song.